How about hi? Um, he counts the steps, then reflects on the days gone by. She bides her time in her mind and pleads for youth. Now it's plain to see what will be. Past it happened fast, they don't talk anymore. They've grown apart, a broken heart extinguished the flame. Now it's plain to see what will be. For a friend, not all lost, just the cost of a lover for a friend. Not all lost, just the cost of a lover for a friend. Not all lost, just the cost of a lover